basically I took everything out.
Wait. Talk on this. Wait, I will explain, okay? The idea is that we're gonna change this bay and make it upper. We'll make more storage for our bed. We're gonna put some changes, and this is our engineer, Mr. Imran. Can you explain what you want to do?
So yeah, we're gonna raise the bed by about 1 meter from the ground, so that we can have water storage, water and hot water as well, and also we can keep all our batteries for solar, everything. So because the bed was too low, it's comfortable to have a low bed, but the problem is there's no storage underneath.
Yeah,
so we want to utilize.
Imagine if you go for a long trip for 1 week, 2 weeks, or even a month, then we will need obviously more storage. We got some nice stuff here. Let me show you guys. So that's the tire, I know. What else do we have? What's the blue thing?
That's for the water, but it's not connected yet because we need to fix it.
I just found a toothbrush. Where is it? Okay.
So we're gonna remove everything, build the frame, put the bed back in, and then we'll build the water everything later on, because it'll be a lot easier this way.
So let's go.
Rusty? The rest كل چیزای داخلی را زیر میمانیم یا پیش روی یا داخل دیرا من دسته باز چوب جوری که پس میام.
Okay. Then we have to remove these. Let's check. It's a lot of storage, and I'm thinking that we should make the bed smaller because it's taking so much space, and instead of that we can build a small dining table on the side, so we can sometimes chill. And yeah, we're planning to fix these ones, and we want to put something over there. This is quite okay. Water tank.
The problem is the drill. And we need that. Without that we can't do anything.
And drill now.
A drill now. What a bit of drill I made with Sonic Gashman.
Bo. Ole.
It's literally will take us 1 hour max.
To go and come back.
Yeah.
Do you want to go now?
Yeah,
And have shiriach? Okay, I'm ready. Okay. But seems like we don't have the drill now. Look at my hands. So we're planning to go to my husband's uncle's house, which is probably like my uncle as well. And then from there we come back to fix this. And it's like 1 hour to go and come back. But we got the energy to fix this because usually we always say let's fix this, but we become lazy, but today it's not. Okay, let me show you a detail as well. Okay, again. So it was raining and now it's sunny. Welcome to London. Where is the car?
Put the bed like this. You know how much is it, huh?
Mogłem mamy czas.
So you can tell how much to cut.
Oh. Metr groszy?
Meter one is, but it's good. That's fine. Also, what you want to check is this. You don't want to catch a village bed.
Yeah.
Because that will make you problematic in the future. So what you want to do is you're going to do your first cut. Just cutting this.
Alright.
I'm using that as my example.
Oh, okay.
Do you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can. Well, let me support your jerking. Jerking, just your jerking, then we can do anything afterwards. Cut your quarters. Also, yeah. Can I point for you? See all the edges. Just have to be very, very straight. But it's fine. Okay. Also gauze us, so we don't want to put too much long screws. So in order, that's it. We're just gonna step by step, just like Lego house or this. Gonna build a little house. You wanna make sure that this is straight.
Az çiş mi bu?
Yeni tamam, put the circle away.
Zamanlar mı?
Ne? Come on, get out there, they wanna. Mobile, come on, speak a shape, Architecture say measure twice, cut once. Okay, there you go. And then now, you remember this one? That's the main important bit to balance it. Right, then you want me? You want to finish me? You want me? Cut this too. So just say, let's say I grow this a gachchalak job bane. تخت پس میکنی آواز میکنی دیوالایش واز میشه اینجا. Then you can use it for normal.
So بیارمی داخلش چوب نمیمانند ما
Yo, make it like finish.
Yeah.
Just there.
Yeah. من استفاده کنم. دیگه این ما خصوصی است فقط این کاره.
Hide is this.
What about this?
We can't use this, but it's not very strong. Bueno, lo pasco chava. There is a little chava kalan. You see how simplified this design is? It's not too complicated, it's just one or two things, just the way it's designed. Oh. Look at gold.
انداختم. we fixed the bed, and now it's time to fix the boiler, the heater. Today our task was to renovate our van, like at least to start it, and we have done a lot. Look, this is our bed, and we raised it. We built all of this stuff today. So we're just trying to make some boiler, heater, this and that. I did work a lot, no?
Yeah, you did well.
I did.
You
So
did.
from the morning we are here.
I need 12.
Oh no.
So we just need to change the cable first.
İçen olacağız.
İlk az das, ilk az paylaş. See that the wire is thinner is not many.
Tamam. Let's go and make some chairs and tables today. Yine çok iyi
Don't forget
bu.
this will be
Bozmayışı.
storage.